We now compare the carbon dioxide content of breathed air and unbreathed air. Add about 5 centimetres cubed of hydrogen carbonate indicator to a jar of breathed air. Quickly cover the jar with the cover plate and shake it gently with both hands. Observe any colour change of the indicator and record the result. Repeat the previous steps with a jar of unbreathed air. In this experiment, we find that the burning splint burns much longer in unbreathed air. This shows that unbreathed air contains more oxygen than breathed air. Also, we find that the colour of hydrogen carbonate indicator is red in unbreathed air, but yellow in breathed air. This indicates that breathed air contains more carbon dioxide than unbreathed air.